Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Akbar and in this video I will give you a presentation about computer, software, and operating system. This presentation is made to fulfill the midterm exams assignments for the English course. So without much further ado, let's just jump into it. Introduction to computers. A computer is an electronic device that processes data into meaningful information. It operates under a set of instructions known as software and performs tasks rapidly and accurately. Modern computers are essential tools in communication, work, education, and entertainment. Main components of a computer. Computers are composed of both hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical parts you can touch, while software is the invisible set of instructions that guides the hardware. For example, in hardware there is monitor, keyboard, CPU, RAM, etc. And in software there is operating systems and application. Last but not least, data, the raw input that is processed. Next, we have types of computers. Computers come in various forms depending on usage. Desktops are powerful and used for general productivity, while laptops offer portability. Tablets and smartphones are compact and used for mobile computing, and servers handle network services and data storage. And in this slide, you can see there are four types of computers that mainly used in everyday life. Next, how a computer works. The basic process. The basic functioning of a computer involves a four-step process: input, processing, storage, and output. For example, when you type on a keyboard, it is called input. The processor or the CPU interprets it, stores it in memory, in RAM or disk, and displays it on the screen, on the monitor. That's the output. Next, the role of computers in everyday life. Computers are deeply embedded in modern life. They automate repetitive tasks, facilitate communication through email and video calls, power modern vehicles and homes, and drive innovation in medicine, science, and business. For example, in education, it's used for e-learning platforms. In business, automation and analysis. Communication, it can be used to communicate via social media and messaging. And last, in healthcare, it can be used for diagnostic tools. Next, we will talk about software. What is a software? Software is the collection of digital instructions that tell hardware what to do. It includes everything from web browsers to games, and is categorized into system software and application software. System software and its role. System software manages the computer hardware and basic system operations. The most important example is the operating system. For example, Windows, macOS, and Linux, which acts as a bridge between user input and machine output, and controls hardware resource and provides platform for applications. Next, we have application software in daily use. Application software is designed for end users to perform specific tasks, whether you are typing a report, editing a photo, or joining a video call. You are using application software built on top of the OS. Understanding operating systems. An operating system is the backbone of every computer. It manages memory, process, files, and peripheral devices. It also provides the user interface for interactions. Uses and examples. Manage hardware and system resource. Examples for the operating system, there is Windows, Android, and iOS. And it provides GUI for user interactions. Next, why software updates matter? Software updates keep systems secure, stable, and compatible with new technologies. Updates fix bugs, patch vulnerabilities, and often bring performance improvements or new features. And yep, I think that's it for this presentation. Thank you and see you on next video.